The use of AI has grown in the design field, and it's important to understand how to work alongside AI. A key way of using this to your advantage is by using it as a time saver. Think about it. Wouldn't it be nice if you can save 5 minutes? No, 50 minutes on a task that usually take others about an hour? Here's a rocket animation moving around the planet. To make this animation more engaging, I added appropriate sound effects to this animation. When attacking this challenge manually, especially for the first time, many users have to first find free sound websites, download different sounds, to find a program to even edit in. And this can be very time consuming, taking up to 10 to 15 minutes. What if I told you by using Adobe Firefly, adding sound effects to a video can be done in about 1.5 minutes? Let's try it now. Step 1. Open up the Chrome browser and type in Adobe Firefly sound effects and log into your Adobe account. Step 2. Unzip the file provided and upload the file named 02 Rocket Animation. Then, for prompt 3, we're going to go into the prompt section and enter, "Give me a sound effect for this rocket animation going around the planet." Don't click generate just yet, but in the duration section, we're going to change that to 10 seconds, and that's step 4. We're halfway done already. Step 5, play the different sounds and click the one that's best suited for the beginning of this video. Here's a tip. Every single time that you click generate, it welcomes 4 new sounds. But we're not done yet. If you notice in the video, at the end, the rocket takes off. So let's head on back for the prompt section for step 6. And enter rocket taking off. Change duration to 3 seconds and then generate. For step 8, we're just going to play the different sounds and find one that's best suited for that rocket takeoff. Step 9, it's completely up to you. Move things around, overlap the sound effects, make it more engaging, add new sounds. All that's left to do for step 10 is download the file.